Andy, what's your improvement for the week?
This has been sitting here for more than a decade, so we want to get rid of it, so I can free up this space, put it on here, and then we can use more.
So what were these used for?
We used to have it, put it on the table, and then we can clean the door on top of it, but we don't do this anymore.
We don't clean the doors because they come off the edge band are perfect, right?
That's right.
Excellent. Nice work. The other improvements we made was we realized that we needed 2 carts in the paint shop. So the team's got another area here cordoned off for another cart, and we're going to make another sign for that shortly. Nice work.
Rick here again. I've got one more small improvement to show us. We have an alkaline battery center down here. It's got a tester, it's got storage for all kinds of different types, everything we commonly use, including button cells. This is so that we can centralize all the batteries for all the gadgets we need them for in one place, instead of having to go upstairs, downstairs, check the supply room, and so on. Coming up next will be a bin going underneath it that will be used to collect batteries for recycling. We'll work on that later this week.
Right, now what's your improvement for the week?
Sit. Good down. Get up. Down.
Good boy. That's a good improvement. So this is something I've been working on for a while. To have a more detailed training program of the edge bander, we've made documentation for each of the working units, how to adjust them, how to clean them, and what they do. And then over here we have our basic procedures. So this is how to clean the machine, this is the homing and turning the machine on. Yeah, so we can all be on the same page and do the maintenance correctly and everything. So Jose, what's the improvement?
So this improvement is not my improvement, it's Bob's improvement. Well, so when he's sanding and the PA is not in use, and it would be resting on the table. Yeah. But now, instead of resting on the table, you cannot put it here.
Nice, little hook.
And not in use, it goes back to here, and we have space here.
And the walkway is clear.
Yeah.
Nice, good improvement, Bob and Jose. Jenny, what's your improvement?
So, for all our shop crews to be on the same page with what's shipping out tomorrow, we started this whiteboard so we can write down the jobs that must be done. So everyone will know that it is a must.
Beautiful. Priorities.
Yes.
Nice. What's your improvement for the week?
So the improvement for the week is we posted this on the machine. What was happening was we were taping the wrong edge of some of the panels, so now we have this as a reminder for the operators.
Cool. So one of Rodrigo's improvements this week was these foot pedals always used to slide around. They used to be just on the concrete and they would move. So what we've done is he's taken 2 of these mats, put them together, and then with a chain attach them on either side so we can still unhook them to clean and sweep, but it means that the foot pedals don't move around as much and they stay in one spot. Great improvement. One of the fun office improvements that we made was a toggle to edge band the top of a nailer. Evan made this specifically for Jenny, so if you type the parameter Jenny special and you give it a value of 1, it will tape the top of a nailer. So Brad, I have a question for you. Why do we have an excess inventory of USBs here?
I have no idea.
As you mentioned, the machine only has 1 USB port.
Yeah.
So
only 1 USB port.
I don't think we need 3, so let's get that fixed. Okay, Diego, what's your improvement for the week?
Okay, Sam. We have this second operation blocking, I'm gonna call them. Normally we grab a scrap, we cut it, and then we throw it away. So just make 4 pieces, a little place where it's close to the CNC. We use them, we put them back, and they're not on the back of the CNC.
Yeah, because we used to leave them here, right?
Yeah, normally we used to use this one, but when we clean it, all the dust gets touched there.
Yeah.
So that's gonna go away, it's gonna be clean.
Nice.
This can be reusable many times.
Perfect, nice work.
Thank you.
Melissa, what's the improvement of the century?
I labeled all the edge banding rules so it's easier to find.
Lovely. Walk me through it. So what do we have?
They're categorized according to the board. That's It's all in yellow.
The yellow is the categories, yep.
Yeah, and then each roll has its own label now. Nice
Yep.
and big.
And then how does the ordering work? What is the Kanban there? How does that work?
It's on the second to last roll, so as soon as you take the second to last roll, you'll see the Kanban and you can order more.
Awesome. So that means we won't run out of tape. And then we're not using tape to hold, like this is the old way with masking tape, which we don't like. But that's the new way with clips. Very good. So something that the packaging team has been working on is just reviewing this area. Dennis and EJ removed the shelf that was here, and then we've gone through and really got rid of a bunch of stuff that was here. There was a pile of pallets and a cart with all this random hardware on it. So yeah, now it's nice open space for the team. I think next we'll look at putting some marks on the floor for where the carts go when they arrive in this room. Nice work.
This week improvement is to have my tools where I'm going to be using them the most. And to perform this task, I need these tools, and I don't need to be searching for them, losing time. So what used to take 5 minutes or 6 minutes, now I can do it in half the time. It makes a big difference. And if I'm having to go outside and search for all these tools that I need, I lose so much time, and a simple task would take twice as long. And also, I also have the tools in the order I'm going to be using them to even save on them.